Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Rifki Bahiki, nombor matrik 03 DKA 23F1014. Today we will present about clause obligation of the contractor. Firstly, you may know about basic construction of industry. Construction industry refer to the industrial branch of manufacturing and trade related to building, renovating, repairing and maintaining infrastructure. Second, process of tender. Process of tender is preparation, advertisement, bid submission, bid evaluation, awarding, contract negotiation and contract award.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Estematin bin Azman, number matrik 03 DKA 23 F1011. Okay, continue to the 1.3 contract. Contract is an agreement either written to or spoken between two or more parties that creates a legal obligation. Next, we have the Public Works Department, PWD. The Malaysian Public Works Department is the federal government department in Malaysia under Ministry of Works Malaysia, which is responsible for construction and maintenance of public infrastructure. Next, we have 1.3 importance of PWD in construction industry. The Public Works Department, PWD, plays a crucial role in the construction industry by managing infrastructure projects funded by government entities. PWD ensure that these projects adhere to safety regulations, quality standard, and environmental guidelines, contributing to the overall development and functionality of regions' infrastructure.
2.0 Obligation of contractor. What is a contractor? Contractor is the person or sole proprietor, partnership, firm or company whose tender for the work has been accepted, and contractor sign the contract with a client. Obligation of the contractor. Obligation of contractor is instruct and supervise its staff and subcontractor in carrying out of the work, repairs and other works in relation to the work. 2. Make good any defect, imperfection, shrinkage or any other fault whatsoever which may appear during the defect liability period. Lastly, carry out any other obligation and responsibility under this contract.
Move to the 3.0 case study. For the introduction, a clause in contract outlining the obligation of the contractor typically includes responsibilities such as completing the work according to specification, meeting deadlines, maintaining quality standard, adhering to safety regulation, providing necessary material and equipment, and resolving any disputes or issues that may arise during the project.
Continue case study. One example of case related to the responsibility in Malaysia is the bridge collapse case in Cameron Highland in 2011. Newly completed bridge in Ringlet Cameron Highland collapsed just week after it was opened for public use. When the incident occurred, there were reports indicating that the bridge collapsed due to deficiencies in the construction process and quality monitoring of the work. The contractor responsible for building the bridge did not comply with proper construction standard, and there were serious structure defects that were not detected during construction. As a result of the collapse of the bridge, there were injuries to several individual and disruption to road use in the area. The contractor may then be liable to pay the cost of repairing the bridge and damage the victim of the incident.
For the conclusion in this case show the contractor to ensure that the construction work is done carefully and complies with all important regulation and applicable safety standard. The implementation of inefficient supervision is also important to ensure the high quality of work and the safety of the built infrastructure.
Okay, continue discussion. This obligation include rectifying any defect that may arise during the period complying with any relevant law and regulation, and ensuring that the works are of a suitable quality and standard. Failure to fulfill this obligation can result in significant legal and financial consequences for the contractor. Finally is conclusion. The conclusion is the contractor shall commit itself to the completion of the work within the agreed period or the reasonable period as an obligation to achieve a goal rather than a mere obligation of care. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.